Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a powerful new way to build menus in Elementor. It is called Flex Accordion. This is not just another menu widget, it is a fast, lightweight tool that turns any WordPress navigation menu into a beautiful vertical accordion. The best part? You do not have to spend hours tweaking colors and settings. We have built in 6 professional style presets to get you started. Whether you want a clean light look, a royal blue theme, or a sunset glow vibe, it is just one click away. Just select your style from the dropdown and watch the transformation happen instantly in the live preview. First, you need the plugin. You can download the zip file directly from our GitHub repository. Once you have it, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. Upload the zip file, install it. Now, open your page with Elementor. In the widget search bar, type Flex Accordion. Drag the widget and drop it into your section. You'll see a notice asking you to select a menu. Go to the Content tab. Under Select WordPress menu, pick the menu you want to use. Your top-level items become the accordion headers. Your sub-items become the drop-down links. You can also toggle single open mode to keep things tidy. This ensures only one section stays open at a time. As you can see, the footer menu is selected by default. From the menu settings, you can add extra menu items that automatically populate the accordion widget. Now for the fun part, the Style tab. If you're in a hurry, use our Preloaded Styles. We've included 7 professional color schemes like Clean Light, Royal Blue, and Midnight Purple. Just pick one and the widget transforms instantly. If you want more control, you can customize everything manually. First, switch back to the default style. Then you can manually customize all colors and design settings to match your website. Change the typography, adjust the border radius for rounded corners, or tweak the interactive accent bars. Every setting is responsive, so your menu will look perfect on mobile devices too. Flex Accordion makes building complex menus easy and fun. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Check the link in the description to download the plugin. Thanks for watching.